Marriage is a great relationship that needs commitment and work from both partners. When a marriage is broken, it can be painful and difficult to navigate. However, there are steps that can be taken to fix a broken marriage and avoid divorce. First, it's important to identify the issues that are causing problems in the marriage. Communication is key in this process, and both partners should be willing to listen and share their feelings openly. Couples mentoring can likewise be a useful tool in fixing a broken marriage. A trained counselor can provide guidance and facilitate productive conversations between partners. It's also important to prioritize the relationship and make time for each other. This can include date nights, regular check-ins, and other activities that strengthen the bond between partners. Finally, it's important to be patient and committed to the process. Fixing a broken marriage takes time and effort, but with dedication and hard work, it is possible to avoid divorce and build a strong, healthy relationship. Click the link below for details.